culture round. We've looked at a bit of raising awareness. We know some data around the facts. We know what's happening with coffee and tea and caffeine. But what's happening with the popular culture around those products?
Okay. Are you ready?
Oh, whoa, wait. I need a beverage.
Come on, Jesus.
Oh, that's good, eh? That's a close-up. Alright.
Red Bull gives you wings, also makes you happy.
I'm ready for round 2. Let's get into it.
This is a timed round. Get ready.
Get the timer fucking going. Get the timer fucking... Are you recording yourself?
No.
What the fuck do I paying for?
We can see the screen on the back.
Oh, no, don't start the timer yet. Napoleon loved coffee. List as many countries as possible that he occupied in 60 seconds. Go.
That's nice. That's nice. It's good you wrote down France earlier. Bit of a head start there for Paul.
But he was French.
Did occupy
He's
it.
still, yeah. Oh, rubbish, mate. I need new staff, honestly.
Try my best.
Oh.
Yeah, I was going to say, if you get one wrong, what happens?
Can I ask a question?
No. What's the timer at? Are we done? Oh, we're close. That's a lot of writing. Gong them before they write more. Gong, stop. Hey.
Dash.
Yeah, give me them. Paul has Russia, which is correct. France, which is also correct. Prussia, which is not correct. Egypt is correct. Sudan is not correct. Spain is correct. Is incorrect. And Belgium. That says Belgium
on there?
Oh yeah. And then Belgium is correct. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, what the hell? 5, 6. What's Afti?
I think that's crossing that off.
Oh.
Unless you wanted to write Aldi.
Did he occupy Aldi?
Maybe.
I don't. Yeah.
If he did, then not
I
big
did.
down if he didn't.
Great everyday prices.
6 for Paul. And then for that, for
For Max.
France,
For
Spain,
Max.
Russia, Austria, Switzerland, Netherlands, Belgium is already 1.
No, Carolyn.
Okay, Poland, Sweden, and then Hungary. You got 10.
Good stuff. So that round went to Max.
I get through.
Yes.
Yeah, you're gonna get a bleep. You've got a bleep for Max in the pop culture round. Good head start there. What cafe chain is objectively the best?
Cafe.
What cafe chain is objectively the best?
I don't really know what that means.
What cafe chain is objectively the best?
Read the buzzing or?
No.
Okay.
Paul, what did you write?
McCafe. Or McCaff.
Oh, I don't think I'm going to get this one right.
I don't think he asked you to answer yet. He asked Paul to answer, and then.
I mean, thank you, I
I
guess.
understood this.
Max, what'd you write down?
The one on the front door, maybe the back door.
We don't, it's a children's show. No. Sorry.
That's abhorrent. The correct answer
McCaff.
is fuck big business. That's it. Yeah. The real answer is big business sucks. Fuck chains. That's what.
You've got quite a lot of chains on.
That's the
So
answer.
you don't like.
Okay.
My bicycle
Okay.
chain.
Fuck big business. Fuck cafe chains. No one won that. Actually, I'm gonna give a point to Paul just because he at least wrote down a fucking answer.
It is, wasn't it?
Get like this guy.
Next question.
No more Mr. Nice Guy.
What is the name of the coffee shop in the TV show Friends?
John Cena.
We're not writing this one down.
Yeah,
It's
write it
not correct.
down.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I've got to write down. Sorry. That's probably
Paul, what do you write down?
Central Perk.
Oh.
I wrote down
Nice.
Central C at first, and then it was Perk.
So the correct answer is Central Perks with an S.
Yeah, that's just a one.
Yours says Central Prep.
You put Central C.
Yeah, at first.
That means they both got it right.
Oh,
But it's
first.
S with an S.
Oh, okay, they both got it wrong.
So they both get a point.
They both don't get a point. That's a draw. We can't have a draw. This is
Okay.
the end of the round.
Maybe there can be like another
Another one.
ad.
I don't need pictures.
How about we do who it's about the first wins? I won.
No, maybe it was last.
How about we do again?
Can you be careful of the podiums?
These are very expensive equipment. You
Careful
don't
of
want
the
you
podiums. Keep the thing you're slapping in the
You
face.
should have something
How
that's
about-
fragile on it.
How about we do a thumb war? No. Let's do this. I'm thinking of a number.
2.
Paul's right.
Get in! This is what he does. This is what he does.
Oh, I should have knew it was 2 as well. Just panicked and done it.
That means a point goes to Paul. You get duck. Point to Paul. Well done. That's 2-1 at the end of the pop culture round. And Paul, you win a lovely brand spanking new Windows 10 64-bit installation disc. Oh, lovely, lovely.
Good one, that.
Thank you
It's
very
good,
much.
right? It's good.
Yeah.
We're going to whack that there to indicate you've won the pop culture round.
I'm really impressed how that sticks again.
Whiteboard is really sticky.
It's weird.
I mean,
Then this
That's
is this
the
is the
end.
scoreboard.
Sorry, I'm not whiteboard.
It's the scoreboard.
We don't see colour. Jesus.
Get it even.
These got it's not cool. Some uneven strength.
Even it.
Well,
No, no.
It was even, and then you said we can have a tie.
Like that.
So.
Whatever. That's the end of round 2, the pop culture round.